Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to our channel IT Solutions Today, and today I am discussing about a short and simple trick that is very useful for use. You can use GitHub to download the source codes of any of projects, and first you can download of source codes, then paste it to the XAMPP folders for a local host use, and then you can extract here files, and it's a long time and time taking process. So I am discussing a short method. You can use VS codes without downloading source codes from GitHub. So let's get started. First, I'm just entering any project from GitHub, just like I'm entering hospital management system projects, PHP, MySQL's GitHub, and I am opening first projects from GitHub. So here is the hospital management systems. So here is the coding files, and first you all download these source codes and then extract here, paste it to h2docs folders, and then open into VS codes. So now today I'm discussing about a short method. You can use VS code without downloading the source code of any project from GitHub. So simply just one thing you can change it. Just in a URL you write VS code dot dev slash and then paste enter it. So VS Code is now open, and your all source codes could be opens, and you can easily edit your code according to their needs. And if you like this trick, please subscribe our channel for more informative videos, and don't forget to these secret tricks with friends now. And thank you to all for watching our videos.